Today, I'm going to share with you 2 best investment tips that will help you manage your money and live off your income. These tips are easy to follow even if you don't have much financial education. So hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. The first tip on how to grow your wealth and live off your investments is to save a large portion of your income to increase your financial freedom. Imagine living a life where you don't have to worry about money. You can do whatever you want, whenever you want, without depending on a job or a boss. You can travel the world, pursue your hobbies, or spend more time with your loved ones. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. You can achieve this kind of financial independence by learning how to grow your wealth and live off your investments. The question would be, how to do it? The key is to save a large chunk of your income every month and invest it wisely in assets that produce passive income. Passive income is money that you earn without working for it, such as dividends, interest, rent, or royalties. By building a portfolio of passive income sources, you can cover your living expenses and retire early or follow your dreams. But saving and investing is not easy. It requires discipline, patience, and knowledge. You have to cut down on your spending, boost your earning potential, and automate your savings. You also have to choose the right investments that suit your risk tolerance and time horizon. One of the best investments you can make is dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that share their profits with their shareholders every quarter. This means that you get paid just for owning the stock, without having to sell it or do anything else. You can also reinvest your dividends to buy more shares and compound your income over time. Dividend stocks are usually safer and more stable than other stocks because they come from well-established and profitable companies. By investing in dividend stocks, you can create a growing stream of passive income that will help you reach financial freedom faster. Now, what do you think would happen if you increased your investment amount or invested for a longer period? Please share your ideas in the comments. Moving on to the next tip on how to grow your wealth, it is essential to know the difference between investing and speculating. Do you want to achieve financial freedom? Then you need to know the difference between investing and speculating. Investing means putting your money into something that gives you regular income and long-term benefits. For example, you can buy a building and rent it out, or you can buy shares and get dividends. Speculating means betting on something that can give you quick profits. For example, you can buy a share that goes up after the news and sell it for a big profit, or you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. The time frame is also important. Investing is for the long run, such as years, decades, or even a lifetime. A common example of investing is to put money into an index fund for your retirement. Speculating is for the short run, such as minutes, days, or months. The risk level is another key factor. Investing is usually low to moderate risk, but remember that lower risks often mean smaller returns. For example, a bond that pays 4% interest for 10 years. Speculating is high risk and high reward. A typical example of speculation is to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Speculation is not always bad, as long as you know the potential dangers. Don't listen to those who say otherwise. They don't know much about finance and investing. But be careful. It is much riskier than more conservative options. If you rely on speculation to achieve your financial freedom, you might end up unhappy. My advice is to balance your portfolio with both investing and speculating. Invest most of your money in safe and steady assets that will grow over time. Speculate only with a small portion of your money that you can afford to lose. This way, you can enjoy the best of both worlds and achieve your financial freedom faster and easier. I analyze the world's greatest business and marketing strategies every day, so subscribe Finance Advisor to not miss the next one.